Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie, known as the Opinionated Horsewoman. You guys, today I got my Macy's beauty box. Hot out of the post office mailbox. Apologize, you guys. I'm a mess. Trying to get some stuff done. We literally have a storm rolling in right now. Hopefully the power won't go out. I don't think it's gonna be that bad, but it's jet black off to the southwest. It's thundering and lightning, and we're gonna have heavy rain. And I'm like, well, it's time to make a video. So this is the Macy's beauty box. Here's what it looks like. I'm just gonna pull everything out. Okay. All right, here we go. $5 off your next $20 or more beauty purchase at Macy's from May 19th through July 31st. I, again, don't expect to be using this QR code at any point in time, so I'm going to let you guys use, well, it's not a, well, there's a QR code. I guess it's more about the box, but if you want to use this code, first person to use this code is welcome to it. It's $5 off. You have to spend over $20 at Macy's on beauty purchases. So here you go. Ooh, I can't hold my hand still. Okay, so here's the goodies. We've got something here. So this is really nice. It's a nice sateen like carrying case. I think this feels like it's going to be like a mask, like something maybe goes over your eyes. That's my guess. Yep. That's awesome. For sleeping, feels so soft. It's padded. That's lovely. I actually do use these. It's really great if you're traveling to use these. It doesn't matter if you're in a car or an airplane. It just cancels out the light. That's nice. I like that a lot. I think that's a great start to this box. Okay. Ooh, here we go. They do a really nice job of rolling this up. I'm assuming that it's packed by hand, and they do a nice job. Okay, lots of sample sizes. Ooh, lots of stuff. Let's just get into, there is a, Carolina Herrera, good girl. I like this. This is a great fragrance. This is one of my favorites. That is actually what it, her items are known for looking like high-heeled shoes, stilettos. This is a lovely fragrance. So it has almond, tuberose, jasmine, tonka bean, and cocoa. It's an oriental fragrance, seductive and strong. It's Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. I am not at all sad to get that. It's a really lovely fragrance. Okay, there's another item in here. It's all squishy. SK2 facial treatment mask. That's what it looks like. Very reflective. It says that it's a sample. It's very hard to read because of the reflection. Radiance and moisture boosting mask. What else? Leave on 5 to 15 minutes. Discard mask after use. What else do we have here? Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse eyes with water. If skin irritation develops, discontinue use. Okay. Made in Japan. Oh, it says it's Japanese beauty. Oh, I'm curious to try this. So it does say on the back, it's just printed along here. There's like a little, it says sample, and then there's like a code, which is probably, I don't know. It's not a date, so, you know, it's a run. Okay, so that's nice. One use. That's nice. This looks nice. I can't read. It's see-through. Kopari Golden Aura Body Oil with 24 karat gold and hyaluronic acid. I don't know what the gold chunks are supposed to do. There's actually gold flakes in there, which is weird. This is 0.7 ounces or 20 milliliters. And of course, we'll shake it all up. Hopefully you can kind of see it with my hand in there. I'm going to open it and see what it smells like. Can't smell anything through. It's an interesting. So let me show you the top. Guys, I got to fix my fingernails. So bad. Okay, I need something to pry this open because I have done a bad job on my nails, aka they haven't been fixed yet. Wait, how does this open? I don't know. Okay, here we go. It's a little... No discernible fragrance. So that's nice. It just pops open. Yeah, that's cool. I don't, you know, I mean, there are gold flakes in there. They say they're 24 karat gold. There's a ton of gold flakes in there. But, yeah, Golden Aura Body Oil with hyaluronic acid. That's cool. You know, I'm a fan of hyaluronic acid. All right, we've got Strivectin SD Advanced Plus Intensive Moisturizer for wrinkles and stretch marks. Oh, that's me. Let's see. Ooh, Dropsies. Recycle. I'm surprised I'm not really seeing a size, but I think it's really tiny text. Oh, there it is. 10 milliliter sample size. There we go. So you guys, this box is like $15. I mean, I think this is really nice addition to the box. Lancome, a tiny, it's an itty bitty, guys. This is the Creme Soft Cream, Absolute, no T in there, Absolute Creme Soft. Alec Ox Grand, okay. With Grand Rose Extract. Sorry, I'm getting bad reflection off my ring light. 5 milliliters. It's a Lancome. It's an itty bitty little teeny weeny sample. Can't call that deluxe beauty size, but Lancome is high end, or wants to be, claims to be. Ooh. For being a high end brand, there is no safety seal on this. Okay. I mean, I'll try it. All right, we've got It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Cream, Oil Control and Anti-Aging Armor, Ultra Light Skin Balancing Moisturizer. What else does it say? 7 milliliters or 0.237 US fluid ounces. It's another itty bitty. There it is. So we'll see if this should have some sort of, oh my gosh, again, no sort of safety seal or anything. I got ink all over myself. Okay, we're doing, honestly, not bad. Bigger one now. Bumble and Bumbles B6 Hairdresser's Invisible Mask. Instantly infuses dry hair with moisture and nourishment. 1 ounce. After shampooing, apply to damp hair. Leave on 3 to 5 minutes and rinse. Ooh, I can hear it thundering, you guys. It's starting to really storm. It is booming. You won't be able to hear it, but I can hear it. It's booming. Okay, so recap of the box for this month. $15. You're going to get the 1 ounce Bumble and Bumble B6 Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Mask. Got that. Got the little Lancome. That one there. Got this Kopari Golden Aura Body Oil with 24 karat flakies. And then it's Confidence in a Gel Cream. Got that. You know, let me give it a smell. I don't know if I really got a sniff of it. Ooh, it is storming out there. It has a mild fragrance to it, but it's nothing bad. So that's tiny but nice. We do have Strivectins, SD Advanced Plus Intensive Moisturizer. Got that. Got a mask, Japanese Beauty, J Beauty. So that's a single-use mask. Feels pretty nice. And then I think the nicest thing in here is the mask that goes over your eyes for sleep. It's very soft, which is, good for the skin. This is the kind of stuff you want your pillowcase to be made out of, this or silk. Sateen. It's really, really, really soft. Really good for your hair and your skin. So, and then the Carolina Herrera Good Girl fragrance sample, which is great because I do love this fragrance. It just smells divine. So, not unhappy to get that. So, what do you guys think? Not a bad month. You're resigned to getting itty bitties. I was reading on Reddit, just following what people got in their May Allure boxes. They get a few more items than this, which they should because it's kind of expensive, I think. Although maybe I said it, man, is it down to $15 a month now? No, it's $20, I think. Anyway, I digress. It's all itty bitty samples as well. So that's kind of what you get. This would be on par with like Ipsy's introductory base glam bag, which is I think 13 now or 14 now. So, I mean, this is 15, same concept. You do get a makeup bag every month with Ipsy. Honestly, I got them for so long. I had like literally makeup bags coming out of my ears. I was donating them to like women's shelters and giving them to friends and daughters and just, giving them away in giveaways and stuff. So I actually appreciate not getting a lot of that because I still have a bunch. But yeah, I would say this isn't so bad. We've definitely seen worse. So let me know your thoughts down below, you guys. I really appreciate your time watching this video. Can you all double check your subscriptions? I've noticed YouTube must have unsubscribed a bunch of you. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt and say it was YouTube because we know YouTube does that. But yeah, I would appreciate it if you guys could just make sure you're still subscribed. I really do appreciate it. I know I'm not making a ton of content. Should be more coming out in the next couple of weeks. We're getting all the May stuff coming in. I don't get a ton of beauty boxes anymore. Honestly, I'm kind of drowning in product. But I still get my favorites. Ice cream will be coming. Ipsy, BoxyCharm, whatever you want to call it's coming. And of course, we had today's Macy's. So let me know your thoughts. Like I said down below, guys. Have a good one. Hope y'all are staying safe in all the storms we're getting through the country this week. We've had a couple of big rumblers through the day today. It's been on again and off again. So stay safe, everybody. I appreciate your time, and I will see you on my next video. Okay, bye, guys.